Today, we host the European premiere of the LC convertible concept. As we developed our flagship LC Coupe, its performance, along with its striking design and craftsmanship, have made the LC one of the most sought-after vehicles we have ever produced. Today, the Lexus LC convertible concept, like the LC Coupe before it, symbolizes the future direction of our brand. It's not just an aspirational vehicle, it's an aspirational lifestyle. It's a lifestyle that isn't defined by the things you acquire, but by the experiences you remember. Performance is amplified with 22 inches forged alloy wheels, and the unmistakable sound of the engine leaves no doubt. This LC was designed to fully engage all of your senses. Achieving this heightened level of sensory input did not come at the expense of comfort or performance, and certainly not at the expense of design. The memorable lines of the LC Coupe have not been sacrificed to create this open-top concept. The LC convertible concept was also designed to deliver a relaxing cabin environment for the driver and passenger, allowing effortless conversation and a precisely controlled climate. Everything that makes the interior of the LC Coupe so unique is also carried over into this concept. From the world-class craftsmanship to the look and feel of the materials, this is a convertible that caters to its guests like a personal concierge. So there you have it, a concept that sits at the pinnacle of design and desirability, making us more excited than ever to see what's next for Lexus.